viewers, again welcome. Today we are diving into the world of very beautiful, very amazing cryptic X-Mex bottle recraft ideas. Beautiful, amazing decoration ideas, recycled bottle, recycled decoration ideas. So hope you enjoy these designs and watch till the end. Stay tuned with us. We are giving you the amazing craft ideas. Why recycling bottle metals? Save energies, reduce pollution, conserve resource, eco-friendly lifestyle. Ways you can recycle bottle creatively. Home decor, turn bottle into vases, lamps, or hanging garden pots. Storage pollution, cut and reshape plastic bottles into organizer for pens, tools, or kitchen items. Garden use bottle as planters, drip irrigation tools, or mini greenhouses. Craft projects, fun activities for kids and adults to make art or seasonal decorations. Recycled bottles not only protects the environment but also saves money and sparks creativity. So why recycling bottles matters? Saves energy. Recycling a single glass of plastic bottle saves enough energy to power a light bulb for hours. Reduce pollution. Fewer bottles end up in landfills, rivers, and ocean. Conserves resources. Instead of making new plastic or glass from raw material, recycling reuses what we already have. Eco-friendly lifestyle. Small action like this create a big impact when millions of people do it. Hope you enjoy these designs and ideas. These are very impressive and energetic ideas for everyone who wants to watch this, who wants to do something different, who wants to do something good for our planet. This miserable idea is everyone who wants to create something new, something amazing. Because it is the easiest way to recycle things. Everybody has bottles for crafting. You can place it fairy lights, LED lights, and make something new, make something bulb, this type of things. So creativity has no limit, it's endless. So you can put fairy lights, add some white color, add some acrylic paint on them, and make a snowman. And if you want to make something for X-Max, so centerpiece. So take 3 bottles, set of 3 bottles, one paint green, red, and golden. After that, tie on a neck or jute rope. Use jute rope for a neck and add a bow. After that, place on center table, add some flowers, add some snowflakes, add something different. Amazing craft it will become out. So either you want to do something different, something unique, you can do this very easily. And many much crafted ideas on my videos uploaded on my channel. So you can do many types of things, many types of craft. So we are really appreciating your work because Western women, Mexican, Italian, Brazilian, US women are very creative and amazing, have amazing mindset. They created something unique, something different, and many beautiful things in their homes. I really appreciate that work. So thank you for your amazing response. We really want to do something new, something different. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. We do something amazing for our viewers and subscribers. So show your response on the comment section. Leave your comment in the comment section. We will try to upload our best and beautiful things. What do you want to watch? Tell me in the comment section, and we will definitely try to bring for our viewers. Are you enjoyed these designs and ideas? Do you really enjoyed that? Do you really want to make something different? Getting the best ideas. You can get best ideas from this video. If you enjoyed these designs and ideas, don't forget to follow, subscribe and share. Everybody has a bottle like that, bottles, empty bottles, empty jars. So these videos especially for you. We are making something unique and different. So what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, for your amazing response. A very nice and beautiful journey. Stay blessed. We are showing many ideas like that.